Love for nature. The word nature usually associates with beauty and calmness. Whenever a person hears of the word nature, a feeling of enthusiasm, freshness, uplift, and happiness is felt. People understand nature as that is on the earth, that is comprised of the surroundings such as the vegetation, animals, food, water, plants, the buildings, plantations, and soil among others. However, some understand nature as the surrounding that is revealed uniquely in terms of different shapes, such as the green and charming mountains, the snow-capped mountain peaks, the rising and setting the sun on the horizon, which does not fade away from the memory. Other beautiful sceneries, such as oceans, forests, rivers, and valleys, form part of nature. Human belief and love for nature differ depending on the culture as well as their social settings. In Stone Age period, human being derived its food from nature through the gathering of fruits, hunting of the wild animals, before the early agrarian revolution when people started practicing agriculture as a source of food. In these early ages, the man also used nature as places for worship. However, with the advent of the Industrial Revolution and early settler, many people never cared about nature as a source of life due to its vast coverage that seemed untouchable. Therefore, accessibility of minerals, need for more agricultural production, and encroachment into the forested areas led to more destruction of the beautiful nature. Even though mankind has caused such damages to nature, all benefits of mankind are derived from nature. Hence, it is essential to love and care for nature. Nature is a source of inspiration. There is no doubt that nature brings about inspiration. This is usually realized when a person's mind is full of stress and everything seems difficult and overshadowed in the mind. Taking a walk in the park at any moment brings about excitement due to the admiration of the different features. The display of flora and fauna provide an endless description of the beauty that flows in a person's mind. This is due to the uniqueness of nature, coupled with the beauty of the sun rays observed from the horizon. The beautiful dewdrops in the leaf blades and the grass are iridescent pearls. At night, the crescent moon that is silvery and the twinkling Milky Way are entertaining. The waterfalls in the roaring oceans, thunder and flash lightning with rainfall give the violent aspect of nature. Each and every season comes with its own beauty and uniqueness. For instance, summer season brings good heat and nice sun rays. This brings mellow mood coupled with starry summer nights that come with their fresh air cool breeze. On a separate note, the autumn comes with its quiet skies, with the mandarin and gray streets with nicely falling leaves. This is the time to enjoy the loneliness and share the passion with the weather. The winter is always good due to its magic takeaway of the universe fantasy, due to the fluffy snows. It brings the beauty of Christmas with new expectations of New Year. Lastly, spring has welcoming warmth coupled with the beauty of nature, whereby plants produce new leaves and the blossoming of the new plants. There is usually a refreshing air with aromas that makes a person fall in love with nature. This kind of feeling brings about hope, healing, new discovery, and better future. In conclusion, it is difficult to deny the beauty of nature that makes a person fall in love with its uniqueness. In different seasons, the nature of the terrains, the landscapes, and the horizon mountains are indeed beautiful to watch.